तर्जुमान व्हाइट हाउस ने ईरान से हसास नौयत की बातचीत जारी होने का दावा कर दिया। कैरोलिन लिविट ने तफसीलात बताने से गुरेज करते हुए कहा, चाहते हैं ईरान में ऐसा लीडर आए जो अमेरिका मुर्दाबाद का नारा ना लगाए। ईरान को हकीकत तस्लीम न करने पर सबसे बड़े हमले की धमकी भी दे दी। दावा किया कि ईरान के मिसाइल निज़ाम को 7,000 टन वजनी बॉम्ब गिराकर तबाह कर दिया गया है। तेहरान को हकीकत तस्लीम करने और गलत फहमियों से बचने का मशवरा भी दे दिया। वाज़ेह किया कि मुआहदे के लिए 5 रोज़ा टाइम फ्रेम में तोसी का फैसला सदर ट्रंप करेंगे।
I saw a 15-point plan that was floated. I would caution reporters in this room from reporting about speculative points or speculative plans from anonymous sources. The White House never confirmed that full plan. There are elements of truth to it, but some of the stories I read were not entirely factual. So I am not going to negotiate on behalf of the president here at the podium. What I will tell you is these talks are ongoing. We're not going to get into the nitty-gritty details that have been exchanged between the United States and Iran at this time. The remaining elements of the Iranian regime have another opportunity to cooperate with President Trump, permanently abandon their nuclear ambitions, and cease actively threatening America and our allies. But the president's preference is always peace. There does not need to be any more death and destruction. But if Iran fails to accept the reality of the current moment, if they fail to understand that they have been defeated militarily and will continue to be, President Trump will ensure they are hit harder than they have ever been hit before. President Trump does not bluff, and he is prepared to unleash hell. Iran should not miscalculate again. Their last miscalculation cost them their senior leadership, their Navy, their Air Force, and their air defense system. Any violence beyond this point will be because the Iranian regime refused to understand they have already been defeated and refused to come to a deal.